This is the final video to fix Starfield failed to create save game. Are you facing this error every time you try to save your progress? Many players see this problem because the game cannot write files to the right folder or Windows blocks the save process. It happens when the game does not have permission or the save folder becomes damaged. Some people try many fixes they see on YouTube or social media, but most of those steps look confusing and take too much time. I will show you a simple trick that works fast and does not need any hard settings. This is the same method we use on Rexish to fix save issues without long steps. First, close the game. Then open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder. Find the My Games folder and open the Starfield folder. Right-click the Saves folder and check its properties. Make sure it is not set to read only. If it is, remove the check mark and press Apply. Now open the game again and save your progress. This trick gives the game full access, and the error goes away for most players. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, tell me in the comments. I will explain every part in simple words on Rexish.